All right, let's bring it all together. In a big pot, just add a little bit of neutral oil or some olive oil. You can use avocado, I like olive oil. Keep it simple, whatever you have. Heat this up over medium-high heat. All right, we're gonna add our ginger, garlic, and green onion. And we've got garlic in here, so we don't want to simmer this too long. We don't want the garlic to burn. Just keep it moving. This should already be smelling really fragrant and really delicious already. Add our hydrated mushrooms. White pepper, so a teaspoon or two of MSG. We just want to sweat out those mushrooms a little bit, and then we're going to add the stock. Give it a quick stir and bring this to a boil.